Dr. Chu we were referred to his care by one of the other doctors in the practice for my younger son, Wyatt, who is a college sophomore. And Wyatt had the misfortune of being born missing a permanent tooth. Well, Wyatt was concerned about, the fact that there was some surgery involved. He had some normal trepidation about that, but he was actually very excited to finally have this process begin because he's had to wear a retainer with a fake tooth in it to save the space for this eventual permanent tooth. And so I think the balance of being excited about getting rid of the retainer was more important to him than the concerns he might have had about the surgery. And right from the beginning, Dr. Chu had let us know that he had a colleague in San Diego that if something did come up and Wyatt was away at school, that he could make arrangements for Wyatt to be evaluated closer to college if that needed to be done. And that was above and beyond the call, and I was very, very impressed with that. So, in addition, I'm a family practice physician, and I have had a lot of patients over the years who have asked me for referrals for dental work and oral surgery, and the entire practice that Dr. Chu is part of has always been an easy referral for me to make because they're really a great group of providers. Certainly the qualifications of Dr. Chu are, above the average, and I think particularly again when you're dealing with anesthesia, when you're dealing with complex, oral maxillofacial procedures, you want to have someone who has the medical experience as well as the dental experience, and that really is a significant advantage, I think, for patients in terms of having the most up-to-date and in-depth care that's available. If I had any friends or family, and I have had friends and family who have asked our impressions of the care that we received with Dr. Chu, I would wholeheartedly recommend his care. He was very informative, explained every step of the procedure in layman's terms, answered all of our questions completely. He's also a very warm and caring person, and he puts you at ease immediately when you come in to see him. And I think especially with young people, I think that's particularly important. I know it was very important to my son Wyatt.